Welcome back to Car Alerts, the place where real car buyers plus true car enthusiasts come to understand what truly matters before investing in their dream machines. Today the spotlight falls on one of the most extreme road cars ever created, the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto. This machine is not simply another step forward for Lamborghini, it represents a complete reinvention of the brand's flagship philosophy. The Revuelto replaces the legendary Aventador, a car that defined V12 supercars for more than a decade, while carrying forward its raw emotional DNA into a new technological era. Lamborghini faced an enormous challenge here, preserving the soul, sound, plus drama of a naturally aspirated V12 while meeting modern performance expectations plus electrification demands. The result is a car that feels outrageous, futuristic, plus deeply emotional at the same time. From the first heartbeat of its engine, the Revuelto announces that passion still rules, even as the automotive world changes around it. The first encounter with the Revuelto begins at the front, where the design instantly communicates aggression, purpose, plus unmistakable Lamborghini identity. The nose sits incredibly low, creating a sense of speed even when standing still. The sharp Y-shaped LED daytime running lights pierce forward like blades, instantly recognizable both day plus night. These lights are not only visual signatures, they are integrated into a complex aerodynamic system designed to manage airflow across the front of the car. The hood features dramatic sculpted channels that guide air precisely toward radiators plus cooling components, ensuring optimal performance during extreme driving. Large angular air intakes dominate the bumper, feeding air to the massive V12 engine plus the hybrid system while generating meaningful downforce at high speed. Every surface feels sharp, technical, plus deliberate, creating a front view that looks intimidating, emotional, plus undeniably fast. As your eyes move along the side profile, the Revuelto reveals classic Lamborghini proportions taken to an entirely new level. The cabin is pushed forward aggressively, while the rear haunches swell outward, creating a muscular stance that highlights where the power lives. The long wheelbase accommodates the advanced hybrid drivetrain, yet the overall silhouette remains compact, tense, plus ready to explode forward. Lamborghini's iconic scissor doors remain, opening skyward to instantly turn every arrival into an event. These doors are not just dramatic, they improve access to the low cabin while reinforcing the brand's supercar heritage. Sharp character lines slice through the bodywork, reflecting light in complex ways that constantly change as the car moves. Massive side air intakes sit just behind the doors, feeding cool air directly into the engine bay while visually emphasizing the car's performance-focused nature. The wheels are large, lightweight, plus wrapped in ultra-high performance tires designed to handle immense power plus grip levels. From the side, the Revuelto looks like rolling art, a perfect fusion of emotion, engineering, plus Italian design flair. At the rear, the Revuelto becomes even more dramatic, showcasing Lamborghini's boldest design language to date. The back end looks mechanical, exposed, plus unapologetically aggressive. The Y-shaped taillights are positioned high plus wide, emphasizing the car's planted stance while creating a striking nighttime signature. Beneath them, a massive diffuser dominates the lower section, carefully engineered to generate downforce while managing airflow exiting from under the car. The exhaust system sits high, almost floating within the rear design, drawing attention directly to the V12 heart that defines the Revuelto. Extensive venting across the rear bodywork allows heat to escape efficiently, a critical requirement given the car's extreme performance potential. Nothing here feels decorative or unnecessary, every element exists for a reason, creating a rear view that feels brutal, honest, plus unmistakably Lamborghini. Interior opening the door reveals an interior that blends futuristic technology with a deeply driver-focused layout. The cockpit wraps tightly around the driver, creating a feeling of being part of the machine rather than merely sitting inside it. Premium materials cover nearly every surface, including exposed carbon fiber, Alcantara, fine leather, plus precision machined aluminum. The seating position is extremely low, placing the driver close to the center of gravity for maximum control plus feedback. Directly ahead sits a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable to display driving data, hybrid system information, navigation, plus performance metrics. The central touchscreen manages infotainment plus vehicle settings, while a dedicated passenger display allows the co-driver to engage with the driving experience by monitoring speed, G-forces, plus power output. Physical switches remain for essential controls, preserving the tactile, mechanical feel that Lamborghini enthusiasts expect. Despite its extreme performance focus, the interior feels refined, modern, plus surprisingly comfortable for daily use in short bursts. Performance: the true soul of the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto comes alive the moment the start button is pressed. Beneath the sculpted bodywork sits a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, now paired with an advanced hybrid system featuring 3 electric motors. Together, this setup produces an astonishing 1,001 horsepower, pushing the Revuelto into a realm previously reserved for limited production hypercars. The power delivery feels immediate, relentless, plus intoxicating. Electric motors provide instant torque, eliminating hesitation, while the V12 builds revs with a ferocious soundtrack that sends chills through the cabin. Acceleration is violent, with 0 to 60 miles per hour achieved in under 2.5 seconds, while top speed climbs beyond 217 miles per hour. A new dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts, sending power seamlessly to all 4 wheels. Advanced torque vectoring enhances cornering precision, making the Revuelto feel remarkably agile despite its immense output. The carbon fiber Monoco UE chassis increases stiffness while reducing weight, improving handling, responsiveness, plus safety. Driving the Revuelto is not simply about numbers, it is about sensation, sound, plus a level of emotional engagement that few modern cars can offer. The hybrid system introduces multiple driving modes, allowing the Revuelto to adapt to different environments. In certain situations, the car can operate in limited electric-only mode, offering quieter operation for short distances without sacrificing identity. Regenerative braking captures energy during deceleration, recharging the battery while maintaining strong stopping power. Lamborghini has engineered this hybrid system not as a compromise, but as a performance enhancer, sharpening throttle response while improving efficiency. The result is a supercar that feels more responsive, more controllable, plus more versatile than any previous V12 Lamborghini. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto firmly occupies the ultra-exotic segment. Starting prices are expected to sit well above the $500,000 mark, with final figures rising significantly depending on customization choices. Lamborghini's ad personam program allows owners to personalize nearly every aspect, from unique exterior colors to bespoke interior materials plus finishes. Production numbers remain limited, ensuring exclusivity plus long-term desirability. As this review draws to a close, the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto stands as one of the most important models in the brand's history. It proves that electrification does not have to erase emotion or character. Instead, Lamborghini has used technology to amplify everything that makes its cars special. With breathtaking design, thunderous V12 hybrid performance, plus cutting-edge engineering, the Revuelto delivers drama at every level. It is bold, loud, fast, plus unapologetically Lamborghini, staying true to its rebellious spirit while confidently stepping into the future. For those seeking the ultimate expression of modern supercar performance, the Revuelto is more than a car, it is a declaration of passion. Stay connected with Car Alerts for more in-depth reviews, latest automotive updates, plus honest insights that help you understand what truly matters before choosing your next dream machine.